Lutein and zeaxanthin are two carotenoids found in high concentrations in the macula of the human eye. These substances are crucial in preventing macular degeneration, a condition that can lead to the loss of central vision, significantly impacting the quality of life. To understand how these substances help prevent this disease, it is essential to explore their functions, sources, and the mechanisms through which they act on eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin possess powerful antioxidant properties. These properties help neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that can cause damage to the retinal cells. The retina is a light-sensitive layer located at the back of the eye, responsible for converting light into nerve signals sent to the brain to create visual images. Free radicals can damage retinal cells, leading to gradual vision deterioration. By neutralizing these free radicals, lutein and zeaxanthin help protect the integrity of retinal cells. In addition to their antioxidant properties, lutein and zeaxanthin also filter high-energy blue light. Blue light is emitted by artificial sources such as computer screens, smartphones, and LED lights, in addition to being a natural component of sunlight. Prolonged exposure to blue light can cause oxidative stress on the retina, contributing to the development of macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin absorb this blue light, reducing the amount that reaches the retina and consequently decreasing the risk of damage. Scientific studies have shown that high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in the diet are associated with a lower risk of macular degeneration. Research indicates that adequate intake of these carotenoids can slow the progression of the disease in individuals already showing signs of macular degeneration. These findings are supported by epidemiological studies showing that populations with high consumption of foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin have a lower incidence of macular degeneration. Foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin include dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli, as well as other vegetables and fruits like corn, peas, oranges, and yellow peppers. These foods are excellent natural sources of these carotenoids, which are better absorbed by the body when consumed with a small amount of dietary fat due to their fat solubility. Supplementation with lutein and zeaxanthin has also proven effective in preventing macular degeneration. Supplements containing these substances are often recommended for individuals who cannot obtain sufficient quantities through their diet. Clinical studies suggest that supplementation can increase the optical density of the macular pigment, a measure of the amount of lutein and zeaxanthin present in the macula. Increasing this density can provide greater protection against macular degeneration. The exact mechanism through which lutein and zeaxanthin protect the macula involves several biochemical processes. These carotenoids are incorporated into cell membranes in the retina, where they exert their antioxidant and blue light filtering functions. They also modulate the expression of genes involved in inflammation and oxidative stress response, helping to maintain the health of retinal cells. Macular pigment density is an important indicator of eye health. This density can be measured using non-invasive techniques such as macular pigment autofluorescence. Studies show that individuals with higher macular pigment density have a lower risk of developing macular degeneration, highlighting the importance of maintaining adequate levels of lutein and zeaxanthin. Chronic inflammation is another factor contributing to macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce inflammation in the retina. They do this by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules and stimulating the production of anti-inflammatory molecules. This helps protect retinal cells from damage caused by chronic inflammation. Additionally, lutein and zeaxanthin help maintain the integrity of cellular junctions in the retina. Cellular junctions are structures that hold cells together, forming barriers that control the passage of substances between cells. Deterioration of these junctions can lead to the accumulation of toxic substances in the retina, contributing to macular degeneration. By maintaining the integrity of cellular junctions, lutein and zeaxanthin help protect the retina. The bioavailability of lutein and zeaxanthin, or the body's ability to absorb and use these substances, is a crucial factor in their efficacy. The absorption of these carotenoids can be influenced by various factors, including the presence of fat in the diet, gastrointestinal health, and the form in which the carotenoids are consumed. For example, lutein and zeaxanthin present in supplements may be more easily absorbed than those in whole foods due to the way they are processed. Research continues to explore new aspects of the function of lutein and zeaxanthin in eye health. Recent studies are investigating how these carotenoids can interact with other nutrients and bioactive compounds to provide even greater protection against macular degeneration. For example, combining lutein and zeaxanthin with omega-3 fatty acids, which also have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, may offer synergistic benefits for eye health. Genetics also play a role in how the body uses lutein and zeaxanthin. Some people may have genetic variants that affect the absorption and metabolism of these carotenoids, which can influence their efficacy in preventing macular degeneration. Nutrigenomic studies are investigating how these genetic variants can be identified and how diet and supplementation can be personalized to optimize the benefits of these carotenoids for eye health. The interaction between lutein, zeaxanthin, and other dietary components is an expanding field of study. The presence of other antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, can potentiate the protective effects of lutein and zeaxanthin. These antioxidants work together to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the retina, offering an additional layer of protection against macular degeneration. Age is a significant risk factor for macular degeneration, and the body's ability to absorb and utilize lutein and zeaxanthin may decrease with aging. Therefore, it is even more important for older individuals to ensure adequate intake of these carotenoids. Additionally, dietary changes and supplementation may be necessary to compensate for this decreased absorption and maintain adequate levels in the retina. Environmental pollution and exposure to toxins can also increase the risk of macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin can help mitigate these risks by protecting retinal cells from damage caused by toxic substances and pollutants. They do this by neutralizing free radicals generated by exposure to these toxins, helping to maintain eye health even in adverse environments. Sunlight is a natural source of ultraviolet UV radiation, which can cause damage to the retina. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect the retina by filtering blue light, which is present in sunlight. This is particularly important for people who spend a lot of time outdoors or in environments with high exposure to sunlight. Wearing sunglasses that block UV light and increasing the intake of lutein and zeaxanthin can provide additional protection against sunlight-induced damage. The typical Western diet, often rich in processed foods and low in fruits and vegetables, can result in inadequate intake of lutein and zeaxanthin. Adopting a diet rich in whole foods and vegetables can increase the intake of these carotenoids and help prevent macular degeneration. Awareness of the importance of a balanced diet for eye health is crucial to reducing the prevalence of this condition. Oxidative stress is one of the main mechanisms involved in macular degeneration. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as potent antioxidants, protecting retinal cells from oxidative damage. By reducing oxidative stress, these carotenoids help maintain the health of retinal cells and prevent the progression of macular degeneration. The use of modern technology, such as smartphones and computers, has increased exposure to blue light, making eye protection even more important. Lutein and zeaxanthin filter this light, reducing the risk of retinal damage. Additionally, taking regular breaks while using electronic devices and using blue light filters can help protect eye health. The macula is the part of the eye responsible for central vision and fine detail perception. Maintaining macular health is essential for performing daily activities such as reading, driving, and recognizing faces. Lutein and zeaxanthin play a crucial role in maintaining macular health, protecting it from oxidative damage and blue light, and ensuring clear and sharp vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin can also have beneficial effects on other parts of the eye, in addition to the macula. Studies suggest that these carotenoids may help protect the lens, the part of the eye that focuses light on the retina, preventing cataract formation. Thus, adequate intake of lutein and zeaxanthin can contribute to overall eye health. Supplementation with lutein and zeaxanthin can be particularly beneficial for people who have difficulty obtaining these carotenoids through their diet. Individuals with restrictive diets, food allergies, or health conditions that affect nutrient absorption may benefit from supplementation to ensure adequate levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in the retina. Research continues to explore new benefits of lutein and zeaxanthin for eye and general health. Recent studies are investigating how these carotenoids can influence cognitive health and brain function due to their ability to cross the blood-brain barrier and exert antioxidant effects in the brain. These findings may open new perspectives for the use of lutein and zeaxanthin in promoting brain health and preventing neurodegenerative diseases. Including foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin in the diet from childhood can help establish a solid foundation for eye health throughout life. Encouraging the consumption of dark green leafy vegetables, colorful fruits, and other foods rich in carotenoids can help protect children's vision and reduce the risk of macular degeneration in adulthood. In addition to benefits for eye health, lutein and zeaxanthin have also shown positive effects on skin health. Due to their antioxidant properties, these carotenoids can help protect the skin from damage caused by sun exposure and premature aging. This highlights the importance of these nutrients not only for eye health, but also for overall body health.